about that vibe. And music, can't you see? Just what old school really means to me. Just keep that body bubbling. Just keep that body, keep that body bubbling. Get out to Kelly on a mad one. Oi, somebody scream out there, dance floor. Give me that noise. Where are ya? Whistle crew in time now. Whistle crew in time now. Let loose!
You know you've slowed down, you're not coming in.
If this is what you live your life for, all you can think about is old school hardcore. Yeah, Danny Nightingale, rip that fader, rip it up, rip it up.
Not tonight.
Feels good. Feels so good. Shout for the Ripley crew outside. Yeah, Ripley, hold tight.
Not tonight, not tonight.
Just give me the mic so I can hide the crowd and get the dance floor jumping. Energy vibes, I'm full of them. Smiling, just got getting some. Step on a rave, mobile, all aboard to Party Central. It's about to go mental. Go in the flow. Blow that whistle in time. Blow that whistle in time.
Tonight, you're not on the list. You know you've slowed down, not tonight.
Yeah, easy as it goes, Danny.
Not tonight, you're not on the list.
So if you got a whistle, then blow, blow, blow. If you got a whistle, then blow, 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 blow. Free crew, I remember. Original bad boys tonight. Whistle crew, make some noise for the original warriors. Just take a look at where your life is going. Do you like the way that it's unfolding? Grab it with both hands and don't let go. It's your destiny and now you're in control, you know.
I'm going out of my head. 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 I'm going out of my head.
We're going,
Out of my head.
I'm going,
Out of my head.
you know. Everybody get your bounce on. Oi, Ripley, make some noise for your DJ, please. Danny Nightingale's inside. Make some noise. Feel the rush. Louder with those whistles. Don't stop. Louder with those whistles. Don't stop. Don't dare stop. Come on. Who's a raver? I'm a raver. Who's a raver? I'm a raver. Who's a raver? I'm a raver.
I'm going out of my head. I'm going out of my head.
We're going,
Out of my head.
I'm going.
Out of my head. I'm going 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 out of my head.
We capture imagination. Pure passion of a rave generation. Check it out. We capture imagination. Pure passion of a rave generation. You remember? Go back to the new school. Let's have ya a little louder. Let's have ya. Keep dancing. what dance floor? Show me. Loving it or what dance floor? Show me now. Show me now. Your DJ, Danny Nightingale. Real vibes, real old school. We're loving this. So whistle posse below if you really love the sound. Awesome. Awesome. Put your hands in the air and smile. All the way to the back. Yeah, put your hands in the air and smile. All the way to the back. Oi, whistle crew, your bits in the house. Louder. Come on. Everybody. It's a bad boy. It's a bad boy, a bad boy. Yes, Ripley. Kicks like a mule. I say Danny, you say Nightingale. Danny, Danny. Oi mate, I salute you. I can feel another rush coming on. Feeling my body all night long. You know the words. Sing it loud. Now I was standing in the corner, I was searching for my wrist. You what? I had some marijuana. I needed to get higher, so I went to the corner with my wrist and my ganja. Built another strip until I found it out my head. Now everybody jumping, no whistle passing away. Let's go to the corner with the wrist and the ganja. Build another strip until I found it out my head. Calling all the massive. Calling all the massive.
The kid's gonna be far out.
Right, come down to me, all night long, all night long. Everybody, come down to me, all night long, all night long. Your DJ, show your appreciation. Yeah, baby. That's Danny Nightingale, local legend. Make some noise. That's from 95. Embrace it, take it all in. We capture imagination.
Now is it what I do to you that makes you cry for more? Pleasure is what I see in your eyes. The ultimate bliss, there's no compromise. So sing it to me. Is it my ecstasy? I'm burning with ecstasy. Burning with ecstasy. I'm burning with ecstasy.
Do we want to party tonight?
So tell me what you feel. Is it my ecstasy? Is it for real or just a fantasy? Emotions grow stronger without control. The reason I'm losing my self-control. Is it for real? Yes, it's my ecstasy. I'm burning
You loving it,
with
aren't you?
ecstasy. I'm burning with ecstasy.
Oi, ladies, who's loving it? Oi, fellas, who's loving it out there? Show me. Danny's a bad man.